DJI Avata 360. FocusTrack DJI RC2. When the aircraft is in 360 degrees mode, you can use FocusTrack. Before enabling FocusTrack, make sure the flight environment is open and unobstructed with sufficient light. Tap the FocusTrack icon on the left side of the app. Tap the plus in the camera view, or drag a box to select the subject on the screen to enable FocusTrack. Spotlight. Spotlight is the default mode once entering FocusTrack. Press the record button on the remote controller or the screen to start recording. You need to manually control the aircraft. Spotlight includes standard and free modes. In free mode, you can fly without aiming the aircraft at the subject, while the recording stays focused on the subject. The actual recorded footage is shown in the bottom left corner. The main screen shows the view in front of the aircraft nose and indicates the direction and distance of the subject. It is recommended to keep a moderate distance from the subject. In standard mode, the aircraft nose always points toward the subject during manual flight. Push the left stick up or down to change the aircraft altitude. Push the left stick left or right, or use the gimbal dial to alter the distance from the subject. Push the right stick up or down to adjust the subject position in the shooting frame. Push the right stick left or right to make the aircraft circle the subject. Active track. The aircraft follows the subject in manual and automatic movement submodes. Manual. The aircraft is manually controlled to fly along a specified trajectory. Automatic movement. The aircraft continuously plans and adjusts the flight path based on the flying environment, automatically completing complex camera movements. Here we take a person as the tracking subject to demonstrate how to use manual. Tap the FocusTrack icon on the left side of the app. Tap the plus to select the subject. Spotlight is enabled by default. Tap Active Track, and Manual is enabled. Tap or slide the trace wheel. The aircraft will then fly the designated route. After reaching the designated position, the aircraft will track the subject in the corresponding direction. When tracking a person, the aircraft automatically detects the shooting scene for optimal composition. Tap the shooting scene icon in camera view to manually select scenes such as standard and cycling. In standard and cycling scenes, tap the upper left corner on the trace wheel to access settings and adjust parameters as needed. You can also use the control sticks to adjust the aircraft altitude and distance from the subject. Press the shutter or record button on the remote controller or the screen to take photos or start recording video. Tap the auto icon to switch to automatic movement mode. The aircraft will fly automatically based on the environment. Point of interest. POI. After selecting the tracking subject, tap POI. Set the flight direction and speed. The aircraft will automatically determine the radius and circle at the current altitude while tracking the subject. Using with FPV mode. To capture more dynamic footage using FocusTrack, tap the upper right corner, go to Control, and set the gimbal mode to FPV. Exiting FocusTrack. After enabling, tap the FocusTrack icon again to exit.